Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 13 in our grammar, that is articles. Now, first of all, articles is a very basic chapter in all the standards. Earlier also in third standard you have learned about articles, but few things more you will be learning in this chapter. First of all, articles, we have three articles: a, and, the. Now let's see more in detail about this.
And the. Article A. Look at the following pictures. A book. A book. A table. A table. A board. A board. A boy. A boy. A teacher. A teacher. A chair. A chair. Vowels and consonants. The English alphabet.
Now, we know very well when we need to use about only one thing or any one person, we use a. But when to use a and when to use n. In the vowel and consonants that we know, that earlier also I have explained you that in our English alphabets we have 26 letters. It means a 26 letter family is there. From that we have 5 special members in the family. That are, the special members are A, E, I, O and U. These special members are called vowels, and the rest of the members, they are called consonants.
Consists of 26 letters in all. Of these, A, E, I, O and U are vowels. The rest of them are consonants. The words book, table, board, boy, teacher and chair are all nouns. All of them are singular in number. They begin with a consonant sound and we use a before each of them.
Now, whenever anything or person we consider as a singular, जब वो एक ही चीज है या तो एक ही इंसान है, then we will use a. और a भी कभी यूज करना है when the word starts with the consonant sound. Now what is consonant sound? Consonant sound मतलब जो letters A, E, I, O, U के बगैर हैं. For example, B है, C है, D है, L है, M है, वो सारे वर्ड से जो साउंड स्टार्ट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब, बैट, क, कैट, वो सारे कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड आते हैं. ब, क, ड, ल, दीज आर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. तो जब कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड वाला वर्ड स्टार्ट होता है तो उसके आगे ऑलवेज ए लगेगा. और जो वर्ड वॉवल साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ, ई, ए, वहां जो स्टार्ट होगा वॉवल साउंड से स्टार्ट होगा, उसके आगे ऑलवेज ए एंड एन लगेगा फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन.
Example, a school, a bag, a toy. We use a before common nouns which are singular in number and begin with a consonant sound. Remember, while using a and an, we should understand the difference between vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Vowel sounds are a as in apple, e as in egg, I as in ink, o as in orange, and a as in umbrella. And some consonant sounds are b as in bat, d as in duck, and so on.
Now, as just now I told you, the vowel sound. A as in apple. Apple को कैसे हम बोलते हैं? Apple, a. Egg, a. Ink, I, e. O, orange. And U as we starts with a, umbrella. U starts with letter U, but the pronunciation will start with a sound, umbrella. So, like this sound are called the vowel sound. So we always use A and N before that. And rest consonant sound like B as bat, B, D as duck, D. So then we will use only O, or we can say A.
Article an. Now look at the following pictures. An ant, an elephant, an eagle, an ass, an ox, an ice cream. The words elephant, ant, eagle, ass, ox, ice cream are nouns. They are also singular, but all of them begin with a vowel sound. So we use an before all of them.
See, now here elephant start with A, ant, A, eagle, E, ass, A, ox, O, ice cream, A. They all are starts with the vowel sound, and so vowel sound it starts, so always we use A and N before the noun.
Examples: an owl, an apple, an orange. We use an before common nouns, which are single or one, and begin with a vowel sound. Remember, we say an honest man because honest begins with the vowel sound O, as in orange. So we put an before honest. The letter H is silent in the word honest. Some more examples are an hour, an honor.
Now here also, here we have the spelling Honest, honest. The pronunciation will be honest, it's not honest. तो H साउंड से स्टार्ट नहीं होता, इसका कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड नहीं है, इसका साउंड वॉवल है. एंड ऑनेस्ट, O साउंड है. So we will put A and N. And more letters are N, R and honor. Same इसी तरह से जब O से स्टार्ट होता है, ONE1, बट ONE1 जो है वो स्पेलिंग लेटर O है, पर उसका साउंड वो है, वन. तो उसके आगे हम सिर्फ अ लगाएंगे. Let's see.
We say a utensil because utensil begins with the consonant sound U. So we put a before the word utensil. Some more examples are a useful animal, a used car.
Now here also utensil starts with letter U. ये U वर्ड से स्टार्ट होता है, पर उसका साउंड क्या है? यूटेंसिल. U साउंड आया, अ साउंड नहीं आया. इट मीन्स कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है. जब कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड होगा तो वी विल पुट A. एंड अगर वॉवल साउंड है देन ओनली वी विल यूज N.
We say a 1 rupee coin because 1 begins with the consonant sound wa. So we put a before 1 rupee. Some more examples are a 100 rupee note, a one-eyed monster.
Same. Starts with O. Letter starts with O. But the pronunciation, the sound is wa. 1 rupee note. Wa. So that is consonant sound. So whenever consonant sound is there, we will use O.
A one article the. We use a or an when we talk of any person or thing. When we talk of a particular person or thing, we use the. Examples: give me a book, any book. Give me the book you are reading, a particular book. Open a box, any box. Open the box behind you, a particular box.
Now, once we have learned how to use O and N, now we are coming to the. When to use the? If we are talking about anything that specific is not there or particular thing is not given, then we will use a for singular. But if we are talking about a particular thing or particular person, then we will use the. For example, give me a book. यहाँ पे आपको पता नहीं है कि कौन सी बुक के बारे में बात हो रही है. So give me a book. Second sentence is give me the book you are reading. यहाँ पे द हमने इसीलिए लगाया क्योंकि आपने स्पेसिफिक किया है कि आप जो बुक पढ़ रहे हो वही बुक चाहिए मुझे. सो गिव मी द बुक यू आर रीडिंग. इट मीन्स अ पर्टिकुलर बुक यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, इसलिए द यूज किया है. ओपन ए बॉक्स. कौन सा बॉक्स? वी डोंट नो. ओपन द बॉक्स बिहाइंड यू. आपके पीछे जो बॉक्स है वो खोलना है. तो पर्टिकुलर है इसलिए वी यूज द.
Remember, an is used for any person or thing. The is used for a particular person or thing. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a, or an. But when we speak of it again, we use the. Examples: My father gave me a book. The book was very interesting. I found a purse. The purse was lying under a table.
Now, again here, जब हम पहली बार किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो we don't know, a specific or particularity will not be there. So, we will use a or an. But उसी इंसान या उसी चीज के बारे में हम दोबारा बात कर रहे हैं तो हमें पता है कि हम उसी चीज या उसी इंसान के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Then, we will use second time the.
Remember, an is used when we are speaking of something for the first time. The is used when we are speaking of the same thing in the following sentences.
So, now here, always remember a and an is used when we are speaking about something for the first time. जब हम पहली बार किसी के बारे में भी बात करें, चाहे वो चीज है या इंसान है, then we will use a or an according to the word. Or the is used when we are speaking of the same thing in the following sentence. अगर दोबारा हम उसी चीज या इंसान के बारे में दूसरी बार बात कर रहे हैं in a particular sentence, then only we will use the. And the is also used for a particular thing that is only one in the world. It means the earth, the sun, the Mahabharata, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Ramayana. It means they are very specific and they are only one in the world. So students, today in this chapter, the thing you have to remember, that is consonant sound and the vowel sound. Vowel sound a, e, o. Like consonant sound b, d, w. These all are consonant sound. चाहे वो letter कोई भी हो, चाहे वो letter vowel हो या consonant हो, you have to focus on the sound first. आपको पहले sound देखना है कि इसका sound क्या है. Vowel sound है तो n लगाना है और consonant sound है तो a लगाना है. और the के बारे में, if you are talking about the particular thing या specific, अगर कोई चीज के बारे में आप particularly बात कर रहे हो, then you will use the. या तो एक चीज एक बार आपकी बात हो चुकी है और दूसरी बार उसी चीज या पर्सन की आप बात कर रहे हो, then only you will use the. So students, this was the chapter articles a and the. The exercise that you have to do in your textbook only, because space is given, no need to write anything in your notebook. The exercise till E you have to complete. The PDF file I will be sending, so just once you check and complete your work. But remember to write today's date whenever you start the chapter on page number 39. First of all, write classwork and mention today's date whenever you start any of the chapter. So that's all for today's class, students. Take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.